Let's play with the Old Testament Bible Stories Quiet Book by TinyBusy. This handmade book is not just cute. It has 7 interactive pages that make learning Bible stories fun. We start with Noah and the Ark. Kids can use the characters as finger puppets, a fun way to remember God's promise. Next is Adam and Eve in Genesis. Kids can move the sneaky snake through the holes and pick up the shiny fruit, exploring the very first story of humankind. Do you recognize this one? It's Samson. With God's strength, he breaks the pillars, an exciting moment that shows true strength comes from God. Then comes Jonah and the big fish. Look at his sad face as he's tossed from the boat. A fun reminder that God's plan is always best. And here's one of the most famous stories, David and Goliath. Kids can move the stone to defeat the giant, a powerful lesson that faith makes us strong. With Daniel in the lion's den, children see Daniel praying calmly even with lions all around him. A wonderful lesson about courage and trust in God. Finally, in the story of Moses parting the Red Sea, kids can move the sea creatures and watch the waves open up. What an amazing miracle to explore. This quiet book is packed with surprises and fun details that regular paper books just can't do. Each one is carefully designed and handmade, taking a lot of time and effort to complete, with safe, high-quality materials. It's also CPC certified for U.S. child safety standards. And truly, you can't find something this special anywhere else. We hope this book brings joy, faith, and fun learning to your family, or to anyone you gift it to. From Vietnam with love, TinyBusy.